Go to the Canva website, www.canva.com, and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Canva homepage. Click on the Create a Design button located in the top right corner. In the search bar at the top of the page, type Facebook post and press Enter. This will display a range of Facebook post templates that you can use. Choose a template that suits your needs by clicking on it. This will open the template in the Canva editor. Customize your Facebook post by adding your own text, images, and design elements. Canva offers a user-friendly interface with drag and drop functionality. To add text, click on the Text tab located on the left sidebar. Select a text template or choose a text style. You can modify the text by double-clicking on it and entering your own content. Adjust the font, size, color, alignment, and other formatting options to match your preferences. To add images, click on the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. You can upload your own images or use Canva's library of free and paid images. Drag and drop the image onto the canvas and resize or reposition it as needed. To add design elements, click on the Elements tab on the left sidebar. Choose from various shapes, lines, icons, and illustrations. Drag and drop them onto the canvas and customize their size, color, and placement. Once you're satisfied with your Facebook post design, you can download it by clicking on the Download button located in the top right corner. Canva provides options for downloading your design in different file formats, such as JPG or PNG. After downloading, you can upload the image to Facebook when